Gracie. Today I'm back with another video. I know this intro is super close, but I'm holding the camera. Anyway, today I'm going to be doing my makeup. Let me just warn you, it starts off really bad, but I think the finished product isn't too garbage, so that's good. Enjoy the video. Enjoy the flick, everybody. Yeehaw. Okay, so the first thing I do is, I'm just looking in the mirror, I guess, jamming out to whatever I'm playing in the background, because I always play music when I listen to music. But I just spray some rose water onto my face because I don't really know, honestly. It makes me feel really good, so I'm like, this is it right here. Oh yeah, and I couldn't find something, I think it was like a sponge thing, but update, I actually never could find it, so, that's sad. But I just ended up using like this weird like diamond sponge thing to blend out my foundation. Now, I know this foundation is super pale, especially for me. You'll see once I start blending it out that it just does not match my skin tone, but it's okay. I'd rather it be way too pale than way too dark, which I think everybody would agree on. So blending this out was kind of a struggle because it never matched my face, and also I don't use the correct techniques, I guess you could say. But, and I realized that I need to actually blend it throughout my whole face so you don't see my true colors. This is so orange. Sorry, I just yelled. But it's so orange. And I was like, this will even it out if I have something really pale and really dark. So I just blended in, trying to make me look less washed out, you know what I'm saying, with a brush that you shouldn't even be using. And then, of course, I don't use concealer because who has time for concealer, am I right? Just kidding. Everybody should have time for concealer if they have time for a foundation. So I just use foundation and put it under my eyes because I realized how dark my under eye circles get, and I need, like, full freaking coverage. Now, guys, pro tip, blend it out like this, because if you just take the sponge and just pat it on your nose, well, that happens, and you don't want that to happen. So just an example of how my foundation doesn't match my skin. Of course, we're moving into eyeshadow, which I'd say is like my worst thing, but we're going to dig into the color Rusted by the James Charles palette because it is beautiful. Watch this really bad technique, guys. Look how pigmented that is, though. Seriously, that's insane. I always start off my eyeshadow looks really horribly. Like, is that even a word? I don't know. But I promise it always gets better. At least I think so. So I stress out for a minute and then, like, freak out and try to wipe everything off, but end up just, like, trying to make them work. So I'm just doing the other eye to, like, see what my deal is. Oh, yeah, and since there's a lot of eyeshadow on the brushes, I always like to flick it and, like, watch all the smoke pop up. Fun fact. Fun fact about me, lol. So yeah, I'm just using a lighter color to make this like not as bad looking because right now it looks bad. Horrible, actually. Going in with the third eyeshadow color, even though I didn't tell you the second one, but not like you actually want to recreate this look anyway, so it's no big deal. But I'm using the color Sister for this thing, and I'm just putting it in my my little, is that what they call it, like the inner corner? I just poked myself, didn't I? I think that, like, helped a lot, honestly. Like, it brightens up my eyes, and I really like that because I like bringing out my eyes because, I don't know, I mean, why not, right? YOLO. Not gonna lie, the last 2 minutes of footage were just, like, horrible. Like, you couldn't even see my face like you can't now. So I just cut it out. But anyway, I'm trying to show you what my eyes look like by pulling down my eyelashes. I know this is not effective, but bear with me. I have no idea what I'm doing. But hey, at least it looks a little bit better. I don't like how dark it looks in the corner still. What is it doing over there? I see, like, different shapes and everything. I'm not sure what I was going on and on about shapes, but anyway, I am putting some lipstick on. What was it called? Like Melted? I don't remember what it just said. But I'm just applying that where you can't even see it. I know, I'm such a good YouTuber, right? You can't even watch me put my makeup on. Oh, look, apparently I heard myself from the future and decided to move. I love that. Ew, I look like a boy. While I'm applying this, we're going to speed this up. Okay, so now time for my favorite part, which is mascara, because this is like the make it or break it moment for me. Like, is this gonna ruin my whole eyeshadow look? Hopefully not. Let's see. And it makes me go from like a 5 to like a 7.5. So I always love putting a ton of mascara on. I literally swear, Gracie, stop making awkward eye contact with the camera. It's not cute, especially when you're putting mascara on. Look, I do it again. Okay, so yeah, I'm just going to apply this and keep my mouth open because I swear my mouth's never closed when I'm applying mascara. Okay, so prepare for a major fail. This is not a good idea. I'm trying to make myself look less washed out again because, oof. Yeah, look, I'm realizing that I messed up bad. So I'm just trying to blend it in. This is not techniques you want to use. This is not techniques you want to teach your friends. This is not a tutorial. Oh my gosh, Gracie. That is rough. Yeah, I went out looking like this. No, I fixed it, but I'm just saying, this is not supposed to be a joke. This is me trying to look good and completely failing. This side, was this side better or worse? I can't remember. I think this side was better. Actually, I might have spoke too soon. I really don't know. But look, what even is the brush that I'm using? Why do I choose you? Oh, God. Sister, fix yourself. Fix yourself. This next clip makes me laugh. Look, I look like I'm about ready to cry. Like, I'm so stressed out. I'm like, oh no, guys, I look orange. I actually look like I'm about to cry, though. I think that's kind of funny, but Gracie, just keep pushing through, girl. You got this. Oh, and I apply more foundation. Just what we need to look even more pale. I have no idea what I'm doing, thinking that I need to apply highlighter right now. Seriously, I look like a cake face clown, and I'm over here mixing 3 different highlighters trying to look prettier, but those bottom 3 colors are really, really pretty. So I was really excited to use those. But look at that little trail I have of my red eyeshadow coming off of my eye. It's like walking away, like walking to the ear. I needed to take, hopefully I took a makeup wipe after this and wiped it off because I don't like that at all, but either way, like, I look better than I started, so I feel like that's the goal, and we're kind of accomplishing it at times. I still look orange. I hope I fix that side, too. I can't remember. Rest in peace, Gracie's face. I'm praying for you, sister. Oh, and more lipstick, apparently. See, I'm doing the voiceover as I'm editing. I don't even know what's happening. I'm just, like, improving, basically. So, yeah. Oh, I just looked at the camera again. That's gross. Stop looking at the camera. You're not cute. Okay, so now what we're going to do is just take my hair out of its bun, and it's really sad when your hair is this tangly, even when it's just in a scrunchie, which is kind of sad because my hair gets very tangled. And I just brush it out and do weird faces in the mirror. That's like my thing, I guess. I don't really know why I do this, but every time I do my hair, I always do face. Yeah, and prepare, I'm getting ready to play some music, but I have to speed it up because of copyright. Yeehaw. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.